As Dan demonstrated, building something that looks great in the visual layout editor is the easy part. You also need to consider different screens and orientations. As you begin to lay out your UI, there's a temptation to build it pixel perfect for the device you happen to be using. This is reinforced by the fact that your app's window doesn't generally change size while it's running, so you can't just grab the lower right corner and grow and shrink your app to see how it behaves. But if you've ever developed for the web or desktop, you know that this static approach is a bad idea. When Android first launched, HVGA, which are 480 by 320 pixel resolution screens, were standard. As we began exploring how to build engaging user experiences on them, we could use absolute layouts to define the exact location of each screen element. But within a year, the first WVGA Android phones were released, with a different pixel width, and now Android runs on everything from phones to phablets, tablets, TVs and wearables, with any screen size, resolution and aspect ratio you can imagine. So just like on desktop or web, where you might use panels or CSS, your Android UI needs to scale based on the screen it's running within. And this is why absolute layout was deprecated in favor of layouts like linear layout, constraint layout and grid layout that can dynamically resize and adapt to any screen following the principles of responsive design.